Hi guys! So ngayon, quick unboxing lang tayo nitong online surplus haul natin guys. Galing pa to ng Camarines Norte guys. And medyo natagalan siya bago makarating eh. Sa wakas, excited kami nila kuya tsaka ni Oriel dito eh, no? Are you excited? So let's go na. Open na natin to guys. Yan, ayan siya oh. Open na natin ha. Lapit mo dito kuya. Excited ka na ba, Gab? Ha?
Tagal ko na yung hinahanap eh.
Ha?
Tagal ko na yung hinahanap.
Tagal mo na ba hinahanap? Oh, hindi mo na, baby. Baka makaman ito.
No.
Then what's that?
Yan, guys. So, ito siya, guys. Yan, no?
I know it's a new skateboard.
Do you already know it?
Yeah. It looks like a skateboard thing.
This.
Just be careful.
It looks like a skateboard. I know you bought one for yourself. I know. Because you always want to skate.
I always want one.
I know it's a skateboard.
Yan.
I know it's a skateboard.
Oh, baby, wait. Baka ano ka.
I knew it's a
Masugat ka dun sa Swiss
skateboard.
D.
I know it's a skateboard.
So, yan na. Ano muna, dali. Kuya, the honors na. Ikaw naman magbukas. Pinuksan ko lang para... Yan. O, dalawa kayo ni Oriel.
Let's open it.
I'm gonna open this.
Parang nilumot yung gulong.
Oh.
Excited, oh. Excited. Wag na, Gab. Wag na. Okay na yan. Baka matamaan si Oriel, eh. Come on, open it na. Yun, oh. Ayun, oh.
Parang hindi gamit ah.
It's like a piece of paper.
Mga sticker.
House. Dad, who owns this skateboard?
I don't know.
May mga sticker.
Please, Dad, tell me.
I don't know nga eh.
You? Or what about Kuya?
Dahan. All of us can use it naman.
This one?
Yes.
Oh, it's an extra. It's when your skateboard is broken.
Yes. That's an extra skateboard.
Oh, you can use it when your skateboard is broken.
Yes. Dahan-dahan ka baka maano yung ano,
Wheels.
deck.
Sticker?
Puro na ng business.
Want me to help?
Yun. Ayan na siya guys. Yan oh.
Bye-bye. Yay, pop it.
Baby no, that's dirty. Yun guys oh. Ito nga pala yung nabili natin guys. Pakita ko ng mabilis ha. Wait baby, excuse me. Ganda ng bearing. Yan guys oh. Venture yung trucks niya guys. Bagong bago po. Parang ilang beses lang siyang nagamit oh. Tapos itong deck niya Scott Johnston na Scott Johnston Pro model na chocolate deck. Ayan.
Chocolate milk.
Tamo, tignan mo naman yung yung Traxo. Parang ilang beses lang siyang ginamit, guys. Tsaka ito pala yung gulong niya, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Spitfire. Ayan, oh. Spitfire Performance Urethane. Ayan. Bagong bago. Excited ka na bang gamitin to, kuya?
Kailan ba?
Hot skate ka na. Oriel, hot skate ka na ba? Do you want to play na? It's night time ni.
Then why did you ask?
Ha? So, yun lang guys. Check lang namin to guys. Quick unboxing lang. Maraming salamat guys. Kita-kits na lang tayo ulit. Bye!